needles on
You gotta
too.
pull it all in slow, so get it in there. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
All of it.
Keep going.
That's pretty cool.
Hold it.
Get up. Go.
Laugh, let it out.
Why are y'all niggas staring at me?
Does it feel like pop rocks are going through your body? Just like pop.
Chill. Stop staring at me.
You not feeling it?
No, he is. Did you hold it in long enough? I swear you didn't. Is it? Oh, nah, he's on the thing. That's what he was doing. He was like going like that before he fell out the window.
Nah, it's Robert.
What's wrong with that?
He's stuck.
He's probably talking to Gandhi.
Shut up. That was mine.
Was I stuck for that long?
You was off for a minute. He was like 15 minutes. I said 8. He goes, how long are you gonna last? I said, about 8, 10 minutes. He was out for like 15, 20.
No shit, what?
Yeah, you're drooling all over yourself, I think. You went like this, and it was just like.
Black man. Black man.
See if his heart is still going.
Don't touch him, don't touch him.
Caught it on camera.
You got that?
What y'all want, nigga? What?
How are you feeling? What do you feel like?
You okay, nigga? Mm-hmm.
Put your arms out to your sides. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Both sides. Go ahead. Put your arms out.
Yo, you put something on me. Stop laughing.
See, that's why people get messed up and start burning shit down.
Bullshit. I'm gonna put something right here.
It's so funny because you go online and you just see like you punch in salvia trips and there's so many pop
What up,
up.
son? Shit. You seen Big Bird?
Why don't you try to stand up for a second?
Yeah.
You want to try to stand
Try
up?
it.
I don't know if I want to do that.
Come on.
Stand up. Let's see if you can stand up.
Do it for the camera.
Come on.
Damn, you talk. Appear the mic.
Come on, nigga. Fuck that, I'm good.
Put your hands out.
There's still more in here.
It's a long way down.
You want to take the rest?
Take the rest. Of what? The rest of the cereal.
Want the rest? It's in here.
And then the herb.
I'll hold the lighter if you want me to for you. Turn it up.
Unlock it.
Pull that shit. Now hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Hold it.
Count to 20. And then let it go.
Think you can't count in your head?
No, not Lean back. Lean back. What about like Pop Rocks? You ever eat Pop Rocks? You ever feel them inside your body? Just go pop, 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 pop. Okay. You're okay.
What the fuck?
You're alright.
You got something in your hair? I think you got something in your hair, though.
Those lizards, I forgot those lizards escaped from the zoo.
You put them? Nah, put them.
Do you see the lizard climbing up the wall?
Such a precious moment.
Alright, Kodak, yo, this is YouTube material.
I never smoked.
Oh, God.
Put the Bernstein out yet?
Nah, but I'm really high.
Put your hands up.
Go
Go like this.
Something wrong with y'all.
Go like this.
Oh shit. He's straight. The child 3 look all types of fucked up.
You know what happened when I did it at my house? There was
Vinny!
Pete's shoes.
Yo, Vinny gotta try
There was Pete's shoes right here.
Come right here quick.
Sticking out of the bed.
Yo.
So I walked over to him.
What happened to my head? Yo.
Your hair's turning color.
Nah, fucking colors. Who cut my fucking hair? Y'all just gonna stand there. I just remembered.